Let me show you how to set up the two-factor authentication for Discord. If you're trying to add in an extra layer of security on your Discord account, let me show you how it is done. Once you've been logged into your Discord account, you'll need to head over to user settings. Inside of user settings, make sure you're inside of my account. If you scroll down, there are two things that you can do with the two-factor authentication. Either you can use a authenticator app or use security keys. Both of them are good ways to add in a two-factor authentication. So depending upon what you want, you can select an option. For this video, I'm going to go with the authenticator app. If you click on the enable authenticator app, it's going to give you the point details of what you exactly need to do. It says right here, you can download the Authy or Google Authenticator on your phone. And then you can either scan this QR code or enter in this code manually. And then once it is set up, you can enter in this code right here in this section and then click on activate. Now, once you scan the QR code or have added in this key, you'll get a code inside of the Authenticator app. You just need to enter in this code so that the authentication is set up. Once you click on activate, lastly, you'll need to enter in the password and your two-factor authentication will be set up. And there you go, the authentication app now has been activated, which means every time you log into your account, you'll need to enter in the key which has been shown on the Authenticator app. On top of it, you can also add in a passkey or download the backup codes so that every time you don't need to head over to the app. So that's all there is in adding in or setting up the two-factor authentication on your Discord. You give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.